Hi, I'm Erica, and today I'm working in my Avery mini binder. Now that, unfortunately, October is over and we are well on our way through November, I wanted to circle back and document some weeks that I might have missed. So I'm starting off with the very last week in August, and I have today Traci Reed's newest collection called Hearth and Hollow. It's absolutely beautiful, and it is fall themed, and since technically the last week of August is still fall, I am safe. So I printed out these cute little frames, and I have corresponding photos to go with it. This week was so nice. We have our heirloom tomatoes growing in the garden. They've been so fresh and juicy, perfect for some salads or some meat-free hamburgers. We also went to visit two sets of friends. One of Kiddo's friends had a birthday party, and then the other set just wanted to see us for a gathering, a little barbecue, and some swim time for the kids. So we had so much fun getting together with them. Sean also got to go out to a golf course. He loves golfing. He's pretty good at it. So I love when he's able to take time for himself as well. And then there's a photo of me at 23 weeks pregnant, so I thought I would throw that in there as well, along with a photo of Kiddo. We went to Nothing Bundt Cakes for the very first time, which we absolutely loved. This collection was so easy to work with. These pages came together really quickly. I actually took apart a journaling card, and that's what the happy list is all about. I was able to just put some bullet points and attach it to the corresponding photos. I am loving faux stitching stamps right now, so that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just adding some more pops of black because I love the rainbow look as long as there are some pops of black. I think it looks really great, but that is pretty much it. A quick spread documenting week by week just to show you that you don't need to have a lot of time dedicated to your weekly documentation. You can still get it done. So I hope this inspired you today. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!